No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Welcome to the course on network cables, connectors, and tools. In this course, you're going to learn about various types of cables that you use on a day-to-day basis to set up your network. Any set of devices you want to connect using wires, you're going to need a cable of the right length and the right connector to plug in. Now, you're also going to need suitable sockets on the device to establish the connectivity. You'll need to learn about the various tools used to set up wired connections and to test how well they are working. You're also going to learn about how to troubleshoot some of the most common issues.